Children, how are you all? And so do I. Bhavna Desai, your science teacher, is with you. Last session we saw deficiency disease. In that topic we will move further. The same topic we are going to continue. What is deficiency disease? If there is a lack of protein in food, then the person will have stunted growth, means the person growth will not be up to the mark. Children, again I am repeating, if we have less protein in our body, our growth will be stunted and it will be not up to the mark. There will be a swelling on a face, discoloration of hair, skin disease and diarrhea. These are the cause. If the protein is less, these are the disease we are getting. If there is a lack of in the both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period or a time, it causes growth may stop completely, and that you can make out by the outlook of a person. Similarly, a person becomes very lean and thin and so weak that they may not even be able to move. If there is a lack of carbohydrates plus protein in our body, then you will see the person the person is very weak and the person cannot move also. Lack of different vitamins and minerals may result in some disease or disorders. All deficiencies can be avoided by taking a balanced diet. In this lesson, we can make out widely varying food from different region had a common food. Generally, if you go to any part of India, the common food is generally roti, sabji, then rice, dal, which all are rich with carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and dietary fibers. So we should have a complete diet, then only we'll become a perfect person. Now we will move on to some disorders caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. First column is vitamins and minerals. Second is deficiency disease disorder, and the third is symptoms. Means if vitamin E is less, what will happen and how can we make out? First one is vitamin A, loss of vision, poor vision, loss vision in darkness, sometimes completely loss of vision. If we are having less of vitamin A, it affects on our vision. Vitamin B, the deficiency we are getting if we are at lack of vitamin B, beriberi, means our muscles will be weak and will have very little energy to work. So vitamin B is also a very important for our body. Now we will move on to vitamin C. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums, wounds that longer time to heal. If there is a deficiency of vitamin C, then from our gums will get bleeding and the wounds जो हमको लगता है उसका जल्दी हीलिंग आता नहीं, दैट इज जो लगता है वो पैच को हम वूंड बोलते हैं. विटामिन डी, rickets, bones soft bend, means if the vitamin D is less, our bones will become very soft and it will bend easily. Calcium, if the calcium is less, it harms bones and we may have tooth decay. Weak bones, tooth decay. Now we'll move on to iodine. If the iodine is less in our body, goiter we get, glands, neck appear swollen, means on the glands and neck will have swelling. Mental disability in children. If iodine is less, you can find physical challenge, that is not, it is not called a physical challenge but mentally disorder in children. Iron. If we are having less of iron, then we are anemic. Weakness means we will look very pale, yellow due to the deficiency of blood. Children, here I am ending my lesson, but the important points which we have learned from this lesson, that I am telling. Main nutrients, food. From food we are getting carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and from food we are getting dietary fibers and water also. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy, or it gives energy to our body. Proteins and minerals needed for the growth maintains our body. If we are having proper amount of proteins and minerals, then our growth and the maintenance of body will be perfect. Vitamins, protecting our body from disease. If we are taking in our food vitamins properly, so will not get disease. Balanced diet provide nutrients body needs, quantities, proper amount, roughage and water. Means here I wrote in short why we need a balanced diet. If there will be a balanced diet perfectly, then we will not suffer from any disease. And in balanced diet we need each and every nutrients, and you know each and every nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, dietary fiber and water. Deficiency, if in that also I told you to take this balanced diet, every nutrients there is a proportion. We should not take too much of particular nutrient and very less of other nutrient. It should be in a proper way. If we'll have each and every nutrients in our food in a proper way, then there will be a no deficiency disease. So children, hope you have understood. So I am stopping my lesson here. Next session again we'll meet. Till then, bye bye. See you.